Welcome to VPSC Learning again. I'm your English teacher Madhulika Dwivedi. As class, we have completed chapter number first and started chapter number two. Chapter number two is a poem. The thing is going to hurt you just little bit. We have completed first four paragraph. Now we have to start with paragraph number 5. And today we will complete the poem. And tomorrow we have to write exercises, word meaning, and central idea of the poem. So watch the video carefully and then learn what is the theme of the poem. Yes, class, as we have completed first two paragraph. Class, this is a story about a patient who has to visit a dentist, and this all process of going to visit a dentist and the treatment is look like a hilarious thing for the poet. ठीक है? So one thing I like less than most thing is sitting in a dentist chair with my mouth wide open. Means poet don't like to sitting in the dentist chair and when his mouth is wide open, and that I will never have to do it again is a hope that I am against hope. Means he is hoping that he will not go again to visit a dentist, because some torture are physical or and some are mental, but the one that is both is dental. It is hard to be self-possessed with your jaw digging into your chest. This is both physical and mental torture. ठीक है? You are not in your control. Means you are feeling so much pain, so hard to retain your calm. Means you are unable to look like calm. Your face is unable to look like calm because of the pain. When your fingernail are making serious alternation in your lifeline or love line or some other important line in your head. Means it is look like your fingernail. Means your fingernail is making some new line or removing your lifeline, love line or some other important line in your palm. Means nothing is in your hand. You are feeling so much pain and it is very hurting. So hard to give you usual effect of cheery benignity. Means kindness. Means your face is not look full of happiness, kindness. When you know your position is 1 or 3 in life, most lacking in dignity, it is less respectful, cheerful you to visit a dentist. Okay, now, and your mouth is like a section of road. This is being worked on. Means now your mouth is look like a road जहाँ पे वर्क हो रहा है, and they are cluttered up with stone crushes and concrete mixer and drill and steamroller, and there isn't a nerve in your head that you aren't being worked on. Means your mouth is look like a road where some work is going on, and the mouth is full of, means road is full of crushes, concrete mixture, drill, roller, and other material which is used to build a road. Okay, and now it is very irritating, and you are unable to do anything. You are unable to do anything. You are unable to think anything. You are very irritating. Means you are very irritated when you visit a dentist and treatment is going on. But some people are unfortunate enough to be struck by the thumb. Means कुछ लोगों को अलग अलग तरह से किल किया जाता है by thumb, and some by going to the dentist, and other have thing done to their gum. Means when you go to visit a dentist and your teeth are supposed to be being polished, but you are reason to believe they are being demolished. Means लोगों को लगता है कि we are going to polish our teeth, but it is the process of destroying your teeth, and the circumstances that almost to your terror. that's all done with a mirror, and it is really very awful, very dangerous, because it all happen in front of a mirror. It is like a terror, because the dentist may be a bear. Means now poet is comparing the dentist like a bear, as the Romans used to say, only they were referring to a feminine bear when they said it an Ursa. Means in Roman they used to say a bear like Ursa. Means it look like very beautiful, but it is very dangerous. But all the same, how can you be sure when he takes his crowbar in one hand and mirror in the other, he won't get mixed up? But the way you do when you try to be a bow tie with the hand of a mirror and forget that left is right and right vice versa. Means now the dentist look like a bear, or now poet is comparing the डेंटिस्ट मीन्स उसको लगता है कि डेंटिस्ट कोई बुरा आदमी भी हो सकता है, वो जो आप पे अटैक भी कर सकता है, ठीक है। और जो ऑल दिस थिंग इज हैपनिंग इन द फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर, तो राइट हैंड लेफ्ट हैंड लगता है और लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड रहता है, एंड यू आर अनएबल टू डू एनीथिंग, ठीक है। एंड देन एट लास्ट ही सेड दैट विल बी ऑल, बट इट्स नॉट, बिकॉज ही देन coats your mouth from cellar to roof with something that I suspect is generally used to put a sign on a horse roof. Means after this all process of polishing your teeth, poet use some chemical or medicine, liquid medicine in your mouth that look like, उसको लगता है जैसे कि वो हॉर्स के रूफ में हूफ में यूज होता है, ठीक है। And now the last, and you totter to your feet and think, well, it's all over now, and after all it was only this once. After this you are feeling that everything is done. Now you are feeling happy that कि अब हमको यहाँ पे नहीं आना होगा, but not. And he say come back in 3 months. Means you have to, months means month, mean after 3 months you have to visit the doctor, the dentist again. And this, oh fate, oh hey Bhagwan, is I think the most vicious circle, that though every sentence that man has to go continually to the dentist to keep this teeth a good condition, when the chief reason he want his teeth a good condition is so that he won't have to go to the dentist. Means थोड़ा सा क्लास ये I don't have the book, so this is the print out, so some spelling is not clear to me. So class means poet is saying that we go to मीट अ डेंटिस्ट टू कीप आवर टीथ गुड, बट नहीं, हमें अपना टीथ को गुड रखना है. वी हैव टू टेक proper care of our teeth, that we should never visit the dentist. Means it is very hilarious, very harmful, very dangerous to visit a dentist and dental treatment. So it's enough for today class. Tomorrow we will start exercises of the chapter.